Konichiwa Minasan. As winter will soon be approaching, I for one am very excited. I'm ready for the snow. I've been going through some of my past videos and some stuff that I've been doing, and well, I came across some videos of the Jigokudani Snow Monkey Park where I went last January. I will definitely be going again, and I highly recommend it. It's just in neighboring Shiga, very accessible, and it's a lovely hike through the forest, past onsens and rivers, and of course you end up reaching those lovely bathing macaque monkeys. I hope you enjoy. If you do plan a trip here during the winter, I do recommend wearing boots. It did get a little muddy, and there were a number of people walking by in high heels looking for that great Instagram shot. It was quite funny, but I'm not sure how much fun they were having. Anyways, I hope you enjoy, and take care. You see the monkey?